Piseth Duch is a practicing lawyer in Cambodia and runs business and human rights law group since 2018. His main role is to provide pro bono legal services to journalists, trade unions and members of the civil society in Cambodia. Piseth had experience working for local human rights NGOs and OHCHR Cambodia. He is sharing his experience of working with the OHCHR Cambodia office. As Bangladesh recently agreed to set up the OHCHR office in Dhaka, his insights will be useful for our viewers.
Hello, friends and colleagues in Bangladesh, especially those who are working on human rights. My name is Piseth Duch. I'm a Cambodian human rights lawyer based in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. I have been working for local and international NGOs on human rights for more than 10 years. I had also working experiences with the UN Office of the High Commissioner on Human Rights in Cambodia for 2 years. The Office of OHCHR Cambodia has been present in the country since 1993, when Cambodia was holding the first elections in 1993 after the signature of the Paris Peace Agreement in 1991, ending our civil war or conflict in the country. I understand that Bangladesh is at a critical point in time to establish the Office of the High Commissioner on Human Rights in the country. So I think it is important for the civil society in Bangladesh and also for the government, including the National Human Rights Commission in Bangladesh, to have the presence of OHCHR office in the country to work together to promote and protect human rights for the Bangladesh people based on the guaranteed international human rights bills. I think to promote and protect human rights in Bangladesh, we need a vibrant civil society movement. So strong civil society organizations, including National Human Rights Institute in the country, will be important as they play a very crucial role in promoting and protecting human rights for Bangladeshi people. And they can also work together with the Office of the High Commissioner on Human Rights in the country in terms of protecting the human rights defenders and promoting human rights across the country. So I think the important role of OHCHR is to promote and protect human rights. If OHCHR can also operate based on their mandate, their human rights mandate, I think it will be important for the country to have the office in the country and also to support the civil society movement, including the role of NHOR in the country. So I think the civil society in Bangladesh and NHOI in Bangladesh will be strengthened by the presence of the OHCHR office. However, if the political space or the environment for not only the civil society in Bangladesh, but also for the OHCHR is not favorable, I think it is difficult for the office to operate independently based on their mandate under the UN charters. And I believe the roles of trade unions, independent media, youth group, indigenous people communities will be strengthened by the work of OHCHR because they can work hand in hand to document human rights abuses, investigate serious human rights violations, and pursue accountability for those who are involved in violating human rights or abusing the Bangladeshi people, including private sectors as well, if they're engaging in business attacks on human rights defenders or civil society. So I think the role of the OHCHR will be important for Bangladesh and also for the human rights movement in Bangladesh in general. So I think while we value the presence of OHCHR in the country, I think we have to have certain expectations that OHCHR can operate and fulfill their mandate based on the expected mandate under the UN system. So thank you, and I wish Bangladesh good luck with the idea of setting up OHCHR office in the country, and I hope the situation of human rights in Bangladesh will be better. Thank you.